U.S. futures higher as Wall Street rally looks set to continue. Jobs data in U.S. stock index futures were higher Friday as Wall Street looks set for a fifth straight day of gains, amid hopes of progress on trade talks between the U.S. and Mexico. At around 5:30 a.m. ET, Dow, investors will also be keeping a close eye to the latest non-farm payrolls out of the U.S., which are due out during Europe's afternoon session. Economists hold. Meanwhile, talks between Washington and Mexican officials continued Thursday afternoon, with Mexican ambassador to the U.S. Martha Barchenikoke telling CNBC that negotiations involved a very good discussion. Mexico has also agreed to send its National Guard to its border with Guatemala to stem the flow of undocumented migrants hoping to reach the U.S., Reuters reported Thursday. Markets will be monitoring Friday's ongoing talks, after stocks reached their high Thursday on reports that the U.S. was considering delaying the imposition of a 5% tariff on Mexican imports, which is set to take effect on Monday. Elsewhere, Russia weighed in on the escalating trade war between the U.S. and China Friday, with the head of its sovereign investment fund urging the U.S. to back up its claims that Chinese telecommunications giant Huawei represents a national security threat. The CEO of the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 181.09 points Thursday, bringing total gains for the week to more than 900 points and putting it on course for the best week of the year. The S&P. On the data front, May's unemployment, non-farm payroll, and average hourly earnings figures are due to be released at 8:30 a.m. ET on Friday. There are no corporate earnings releases of note. Follow CNBC International on and Facebook.
Raindrop, truck top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.